Somebody asked me, can YouTube marketing work for B2B business? The answer is absolute yes. I mean, look at me. I'm actually running a business to get those Facebook advertisers to get better in their Facebook advertising game. So as a Facebook ad strategist, am I not a B2B business? 100%, right? In fact, that's the most important place you need to build if you're a B2B business. You know why? B2B customers or your clients do not go to Facebook and look for you, correct? They do not go to Instagram to look for you. Like, for example, I actually started looking for my merchandise partner. I was looking for, enamel pin manufacturer. I don't go Facebook and look for enamel pin manufacturer. I go to Google and look for enamel pin manufacturer. So if your business is B2B, even it's more important for you to look at this in a very, very objective way. Now, first thing I want you to do here is this. Go to Google, look for, let's say, enamel pin, okay, and see if you have any search engine ranking over there. If you are ranking on the top first page, if you are you at the top? So if you don't have any presence at all, okay, and you're like, what the hell should I do right now? Now, two ways for you to do. You need to build your SEO in the conventional way, which is if you have a website, you need to do a lot of backlinking, and all these kind of content creation everywhere to build SEO juice to your website, and hopefully over time, in 3 to 6 months time, you can see your website ranking very high. Or you can do it another way, which is like me. Create a YouTube channel that actually provides highly relevant and useful information about what you do. Like if you do enamel pin, you can actually do some videos telling people how do you identify, a good enamel pin manufacturer. What are the differences between enamel pins? 0.9 mm and 0.7 mm. What's the difference between these two things? I mean, I was so confused when I was looking for the manufacturer. So these are the questions that people will be asking. And when you are able to create content that answers questions, you establish yourself as a, of course, an expert and an authority in what you do. And eventually, if I looked or after I watched all these videos, if I'm convinced, then I'll be like, okay, now how can I talk to you? How can I buy from you? How can I order from you? How can I work with you? So even so, if you're a B2B business, in my opinion, you need to have a YouTube channel. You need to start your YouTube marketing right away, because that's how you will get high quality, totally ready to buy audiences to come to you.